Welcome back. After weeks of exploring the Yacht Islands, we're finally back down at Nou Island. This archipelago has some of the best waves in the South Pacific, so we're stoked to be sitting off here for free and surfing every day. Cheers for watching and hope you guys enjoy this one.
I'm Kate and this is Dan. We are proud owners of a Katana 411. We are living on her full time and are on a mission to explore more remote parts of this earth. Welcome aboard Nou.
Kate, stuck out for one quick surf. What happened?
On low tide.
We got the goods here. You ready? Bend over a little bit.
I gotta.
Oh yeah, the one wave. It's been our morning ritual to start the day with a nice big surf, and afterwards we head underwater for a quick snorkel. This place really has it all. We're now enjoying our last few weeks here in Fiji. We were joined by different groups of friends and family, and then it was finally time for us to leave and make our way back to, well, I don't know, you'll have to find out.
Oh, wahoo! You're gonna lose that gap.
Oh, it's a tuna. It's a tuna.
Tuna!
Otherwise, bad like
Yeah,
the
no, that's good. That's perfect, Ram, as long as you do things to sit there.
Let's take off and see some.
Yeah. Just slowly, no rush.
Oh, broke.
Mum on the tools. Catching a tuna. Got a lot of speed on it. I can see it. Should be well and truly tired out, this fish. You right, Mum? There it is. Get it up. Yeah, keep it. Dead. Phew. Nice. Okay, stop.
Yee-hoo! Gary's on the tuna. Perfect. First fish in Fiji. Oh, first fish in Vitalivu side.
Going for a beach walk. Down heaps of clammies and crabbies. Beautiful here. Heaps of plastic though, which is so sad. But going around. This mum. Mum finding a lobby. Beautiful. Like lava rocks and all the crabbies. Ooh, look at them all. Slippery. Beautiful.
After visiting our last secluded island, we headed back for one final surf at Cloudbreak. Kate got in the water with the snorkel on. It's pretty interesting to see what the terrain's like under the water. Fiji, you will be missed.
Did I see your light slip by on the day it all went down? Was it all for the shameless greed of a psycho clown? Spiral staircase, burning house, the mind's a deserted rain. Fast attack, slow release, is there anyone left to say? 1, 2, 0, response. Lights are on, but once more. 1, 2, 0, response. Lights are on, but once more. Bye bye, operating system. Bye bye, operating system. Operating system. Bye bye. Did I hear the sirens play my song in the dead of night? Try to surf the panic wave as I wait at night. Look at all the NPC stuff, the faces in shopping malls. Backed up in the doorstep,
How is it? Give us a rundown.
Pretty slow. Well break.
Operating system. Bye bye. Operating system. Operating system. Bye bye. Operating system. Bye bye.
The cloud behind it is so cool.
Back to Niue. The office. Kate's at the office. What's going on?
We're going to Australia. We thought we were going to New Zealand, but now we're going to Australia. Big nightmare. So we just looked at the GST and we can't afford it to get into New Zealand, so we're going to go to Australia, stop at Vanuatu hopefully on the way, and yeah.
Carry on. Indonesia after that.
No.
Yee! Last sights are Fiji. Not on the helm. What D-Dog's up to. Here we go. Goodbye Fiji. Hello Vanuatu.
Dan, what is it?
We got whales.
Wales, D-Dog.
They could be killer whales because there's quite a few of them.
Yeah.
Or pilot whales, not to see some other type of whale. We're a long way away.
Day one, Kate in the dishes. No, just came out of Fiji yesterday? Day before? Yesterday. First night at sea last night, we were heading straight to Vanuatu. And we thought we were going to have to stay there because of some GST stuff back in NZ, but everything was sorted out, so we've decided we're going to head back to NZ. Been all over the place.
Occasionally.
1 minute Australia, 1 minute New Zealand.
Fiji, I don't know.
Just doing laps of the Pacific. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep your eyes peeled for where we next end up. Spoiler, it was not NZ. Cheers.